Hi, this is Josh from Stellar, and if you've ever opened Outlook only to see your mailbox locked or missing, don't panic. Your emails, contacts, and attachments aren't gone, they're just trapped in an inaccessible OST file. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to convert your OST to PST Online. Free, safe, and instantly. With Stellar Converter for OST Online, you can restore your mailbox directly from your browser. No Outlook, no Exchange, and no software installation needed. Just upload, convert, and download. It's that simple. It's easy to convert your OST file in 3 steps. Go to converter.stellarinfo.com. Sign up for your free account. It takes less than a minute. Upload your OST file, up to 5 GB per file. Click Convert. In seconds, you'll see a preview of your converted mailbox in HTML format, with folder hierarchy, attachments, and formatting all preserved. If everything looks good, simply hit download to save your PST. With Stellar, your conversion is fast, private, and fully secure. SSL encryption ensures safe upload and conversion. No data retention. Files are deleted after 24 hours. Preserves folder structure. All emails, folders, and attachments remain organized. No Outlook or Exchange required. Real-time progress tracking shows upload, conversion, and download status instantly. You can review your converted mailbox in HTML before downloading your PST. To make things even simpler, Stellar offers 3 editions. Free edition. Convert a single OST file under 500 megabytes. Perfect for small mailboxes, available for 3 hours to download. Premium Edition. Convert larger OST files up to 5 GB with extended availability for 24 hours. Ideal for users who need fast, browser-based conversion. Desktop Edition. No file size limits. Convert 5 files and keep your converted PST files permanently on your system. This is the most powerful option and the best choice for large, inaccessible OST files, giving you maximum speed, accuracy, and reliability. Don't let your email stay locked in an OST file. Convert OST files safely, instantly, and privately. Visit converter.stellarinfo.com now to convert OST to PST Online for free.